See, as long as I live, as long as I live, I shall sing, I shall sing. As long as I live, as long as I live, I shall stop singing thousand years upon that I'm ready, so that will be. Said you weren't around much anymore. I stopped dropping by without an appointment. DJ Styles, cause I heard laughter coming through your door. Sometimes players like you to call me before you close your eyes to sleep. Yeah. I made a vow that I would drop by sometimes, but that's a promise I can't keep. 'Cause I love you too much to ever start liking. Let's leave the story as it may. I love you too much to ever start liking.
Go on. Just take time to rub in and hold a seat, you know. Some cabbage and bully beef, you know. Yeah, man, that's how we do it, man. Late night cooking, you don't know the thing go. But that's some cabbage this me I cut up, isn't it? So I go body it up, steam it down. Cook some yam dumpling, green banana, Irish potato, sweet potato. Yeah. You know, see that's how we do it over this side on the Top Chef channel, you know? Yeah, man. Cook the real Jamaican way, just like how the ancestors used to do it. Look at that. They say you love that song, yeah? A big tune, man.
Baby girl, I know me more than super. The dress you wear. Lord of mercy, I need it very, very bad. Head it over when they want to be
Funny tune, man.
head it over when they want to be head it over when they want to be head it over when they want to be so the and the one princess. One of them go and stick his off me neck. Bubble down but the ranking life and direct. And when me come on
Yeah, man, and some late night chefings with the Top Chef Dundyplace tonight, you know? So you don't know. But there are vibes out, good music and good food, isn't it? Yeah, man. So you don't know, cut up with cabbage, it already washed. Isn't it?
Instagram at DJ Styles Music.
Alright. And some onion now. So tonight, what's on the menu tonight? Cabbage, bully beef, some boiled dumpling, yam, sweet potato, Irish potato. What else we have over there? Green banana. Yeah, man, everything from scratch, man. Isn't it? Yeah, man, at the boss that. Yeah, man, share the live. You know, tap up the light, tap up your screen and share the live, isn't it? And follow the page at the Top Chef. Isn't it? I say we cook just like how your granny used to cook, you know. Isn't it? And the granny teach me how to cook, you know. Isn't it? So you know, say the pot can't miss right now. cut up your veggies, you know. So in the pot we have cabbage, onions, piece of thyme in it, one piece of garlic. Me friend, step on the street again. Alright. Yes, sire. Alright. Clear up the surface a little bit. More later we are going to put some of this in it, isn't it? See the pot of bubble up ready for the flour right now. Make sure now follow the top chef, you know. He's looking you. Alright. Some pimento bean, isn't it? Pimento. Just scatter it in it now. Want some butter in it now. On the MC. But that one steam up a little bit. Maybe fire go on, then we are season it up. But you know, we need some. I need the flour from the store. Buckle up. Auntie me, what's up? What you say, yeah, though? My bad. Alright, much better. Alright, this is my touch beer thing now. You have to wash your hand over again, you know. So you have to deal with the flour now, isn't it? Make sure your hand clean. In tune, yeah, man. What they on them there? What they on them there? Some cornmeal flour there, no? Buckle up. Put some salt in it. I felt this. Isn't it? That's all you need. Yeah man, share the live man, share the live. You're gonna share the live. Follow the Top Chef, look at that. You see me? We are cooked from scratch, you know. You see me I say? Real authentic Jamaican cuisine, you know. Oh yeah. Let's get some water, add to your flour. Say what? Life is one big party when you're still young. What about the long run? Tell him not giving her much attention. Make sure none clean. You see me I say? Right now we're in the Top Chef kitchen, you see me? Make sure feel free to follow the page. You see me I say? We are all a vibe, a boat we are running. Yeah man, it's a boat we are running at night, yeah man. Right now I'm there in the Ville. That are next to Bronx. We're there in New York. Yeah. Yeah man, need it, man, need it. You see me? In the pot we have the cabbage. I flavor it up a little bit. Big up every woman on the live right now. Everyone on. Big up on yourself. Now too much seasoning, you know. Yeah man, little black pepper now. So now we store a little bit, make that go and simmer down. Alright, ready back again. Alright, need the dumpling good enough. People, me I try to reach 10,000 followers right now by next month. So I'm big up on yourself, you all who follow. You see me? Let the water boil out, Rasta. Second them people. Bye bye baby, bye bye. Yeah man, thyme in a pot man, thyme, scallion, tomato. Just never put no pepper in there, no? Make sure no hand clean, you know, you can't feed them things to people if no hand not clean, you know. You see me I say? Yeah man. Eyes on you, girl. Yeah man, make it cook in your own juice, you don't need no water, you know? You see it? Look at that. Yeah, the top chef in the kitchen, you know, people. Big up on yourself, you see me, I say click the follow button. Feel free to share the live, because we're full of vibes. A whole night we are cooking up. Later on we are make some drops. You see me? We are bake a sweet potato pudding. All of tonight. You see me, I say it's a top chef marathon tonight. Look at that. So tell a friend. You tell a friend. So the top chef in the kitchen. Yeah, good everyone. Yeah man, I just food vibes, you know. Oh yeah then. I'm trying it.
It's not that I don't love you. That's them Veggies. Show them what we can do. You know how much I do. And it's not that I find somebody.
Yeah man, big up everybody we're there in the kitchen right now. We're there in the Bronx, so we're on there. Let me know we're on there. Which part of the world on there right now? You see me I say? Don't know you enjoy the weekend with your loved ones. And the top chef in the kitchen. Yeah man. Get the good one and done. Yeah man, we are waiting for the flour pot to boil up, it a bubble up and now in a second.
Looks like you won something there. Yeah, I did my test guy and switched to H&R.
I'm going with the DJ over there.
That easy. So much more convenient. I just walked in, met with an expert, or a pro could do your taxes online. And with that upfront transparent pricing, I knew the price before I even began.
I've never won anything in my whole life.
You should make the switch.
Flour ready to go in the pot. When the water boil.
DJ Styles.
Now see what I'm going around there. Alright. Yeah man, me have a YouTube channel, you know. It named TopChefDundyplace, isn't it? But you never then here, you're always on the run. Keep back and just unwind. Me hear you shout, I love you.
Tell me where all the passion gone, all of the warmth. Tell me where is all of the tenderness. And here is something else that been bugging me for so long. Tell me this, tell me if the love so nice. Tell me why it hurts so bad. Madam, if love so nice. Tell me why I'm sad. Me sing again.
Big a piece of paper towel. Yeah.
Tell me why it hurts so bad. Madam, if love so nice.
Yeah.
Tell me why I'm sad. Me sing again. Don't you know your love is so divine? And I'm wanting you, girl. Missing you, wanting you, girl. Don't you know your love is wonderful?
Yeah man, you don't know this a yellow yam, you know? Them say a Jamaica it come from. Hope it dry and nice. Alright, next on the page, you know. That's some green banana. You know if you feel green banana? If not, me have a tutorial on the page, isn't it? Or you can learn right now.
Ready to be an e-commerce pioneer? Bluehost has step-by-step WordPress onboarding to make creating and running.
Hold on, them people. I find a different vibes right now. You see me I say? So now the stove, you know, we don't want it overcooked too much, you know. Pick up everybody right there, you know. Yeah, man. Big up to the fella, you know. Chris? Yeah, well, he's up.
Been up early. I make some juice, some fruit juice, no water added, you know. A whole heap of things are going tonight, man. Top chef in the kitchen. Weekend vibes, good music, good food, good love. One love.
The man is peeling good, man.
Keep it quilted means you keep it the best. 3 layers of plush comfort you can see
DJ.
and feel. Keep it quilted because the best parts of your
Yeah,
life
DJ.
deserve the best. So don't settle for anything less.
can't hear
Keep it
everybody.
quilted with Quilted Northern.
Ooh, looks like somebody's doing
Alright,
Them and them.
wash them.
Walker be loud.
Sweet potato. Peel one of them. And if this can peel, I never peel it this. Peel it good now. Sweet potato this, you see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we just start, you know. Till later we have bake a sweet potato pudding, we make some drops. You know, in our kitchen whole night tonight. That thing a bad, man. Alright. Have a canned beef here, sir. We have put this in the cabbage. We don't know shorting it, them thing there, you know? The cabbage, so. We have to make the canned beef separate. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, we're going in the kitchen, you know. We're going in the kitchen. Yeah, man, as you come in, just click the follow button, you know. Now we got a small pot cook the canned beef right now.
I bet you want me more. Alright then, you build big pages and not time for feet out. Things about me new girl, you want me see out. When me bag on, when me carry on, when me gone, we gone. When me party, take it back. So why you still a watch me? You know I say you want your friend, them a be a paparazzi.
Let's put that tomato in it, you know?
That's why you still a
Watch me.
you thought I would be unhappy. So you just a watch me. You need someone, sometimes you want mental fire. Life's not a fire. Cherish the moments. Your life is important. No other moment. That's all I'm tired. Remember I told you I will never desert you.
Yeah, man, cut up some tomato. Would I put pepper in it? One pepper? Alright. Put a scotch bonnet in it, you see me? Well spicy. Saute them there, isn't it? Yeah, don't lose this key, you know. Very important. Classic bully beef, isn't it? From 19 long. Yeah man, all you need is some pepper, you know, some black pepper. Crush it out, you know. And we have to separate them because shortish, you know, like cabbage, isn't it? So she rather the bully beef. Some black pepper in it. Look of flavor, you know. Because you don't know canned beef salt, you know. So you don't want to overdo it, see? That's good enough. Come on, turn on the toast. Remember this over here, so the cabbage. You don't know, you put a 1 spoon over here, you know? Yeah man, this is ready for some dumpling right now. So you don't know this of a shorty and the whole of this of me, you know? Cabbage and bully beef, you know? Top Chef way. And man, you see me? I don't know the thing go man. You see me? Later we are going to bake a pudding. We are going to make some drops. What else we are do later? Oh, right now we shouldn't make the juice, you know. Well, next thing that now. So we make some fruit juice right now. Some orange, pineapple, green apple, ginger. And even make it clean. Wow. Want some? Can I make this? I want to make some jar.
We're going to bake pudding and all that too.
Yeah, later do.
I really want the drop.
Yep, get the drops done. Yeah man, big up everybody in the building man. Yeah man, big up yourself Sharon, you know. Every day we learn something new, you know. Peanut punch. Alright, me have to go get some peanuts though. And bad up some peanut punch, isn't it? Cause we bad like that, you know. Tomorrow morning, we'll make some green banana porridge, isn't it? I say? Yeah man. Make sure you know follow the Top Chef, you know. Yeah man. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. The name TopChefDundyplace on YouTube. Yeah man, food ready, you know. But you don't know what time now. We'll come back live about what time babe?
10:34.
So we'll come back live. Set your alarm clock. We'll come back live 11:15. We're gonna make some drops from scratch. We have the coconuts. Just a share out food on the plate right now. Woo! You can manage. Full up the plate for me. Dangerous. Yeah man, the rerun for this video I got up on YouTube, isn't it? Oh, me stay. Yeah man, that's bully beef and cabbage. You have yam, you have dumpling, you have banana, you see it? Ready to eat there?
Yeah.
The yam dry, you know, you see that? Well dry and nice, you see it? Straight from Jamaica, we have bad up the yam in New York right now. You see me I say? Take a bite. Why for that? See that? You have to cool it, you know, well hot, you know. Woo! Food nice. Yeah man, big up. Waves your plate. Right now me in the Ville, come by and get a plate. Shorty then can come by. Next time, alright?
Enough left.
Alright, you ready to eat now? Alright, big up everybody. Link up back. Follow the page and make we link up back. 11:15. We start the sweet potato pudding. 11:15. And the drops, you see me? We have to try multitask right now. You see me? I say so big up everybody over there. You see me? I say over there. Follow the page. And big up on yourself. We out. See you in 11:15.